what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some wheels on my AE86. They're just some pink Hayashi Sakura reps. I believe that's what they're called, I'm not too sure. But yeah, I'm alone today, so it's going to be freaking sick, dude. So yeah, I guess I'm just going to work my way from the back to the front. Alright, so now that they're loosened, we're gonna jack it up a little bit. Okay, now that's in the air, a little bit, I'm gonna do a little more. Alright, now it's all the way up. Let's take these off. Oh no, don't go away. Alright, so here we go, we're just gonna pick it up and put it on. This is so boring when you're alone. I'd rather have people here, but you know, everyone's busy. No one wants to hang out, you know. Everyone likes to sit at home and not do cool car things. Like make their cars look cooler. Oh my god, I'm sweating already. Yeah, it's like the end of October. And it's still 90 outside in California. It's kind of fucked up, you know. Oh, okay. Okay. Let's tighten this down. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys what this looks like. It looks pretty freaking mint, if I do say so. Oh. Look at that. We might need a little bit of a roll. Ooh, baby. As long as, you know, we don't hit any big bumps or anything. I think we're gonna be good. Those look absolutely sick. Alright, time for the other side. Alright, here we are on the other side. Just gotta, you know, loosen these up a little bit. Get rid of these old, ugly wheels. I put on the fresh pink wheels, them hot boys, you know. These are nearly bald, but you know that's okay, because I won't be driving it much in the rain right now. And then I have new tires for those when I do drive it in the rain, so I'll go get those mounted in a little bit. But for right now, I think I'll be okay. I wish my friends were here to hang out with me while I do this. I'm all alone. I wish my friends were here. Oh, why do these springs travel so much? Okay, there we go. So now we'll just take this off all the way and put this one on. Oh my god. These tires are bald. I have to go get these. Oh god. This is a lot of work. Look at this hand. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Okay. Flip. Dude, where are these lugs at? There we go. These are fresh. They need to be cleaned though. Probably should have cleaned them beforehand, but I just want to get them on. It's a hot day, it's been a long day. I just want to go drive. On these cars, you know, you gotta stay little wheels. These are 15s. I don't know the exact specs for these. I could look it up later because I have it on my phone. But for right now, I don't know. We're almost done with this. Alright, time to lower it. Now time to tighten it. Yay! The floor is so dirty. Alrighty, let me crack these bad boys. Let me crack these nuts. And we will get the fronts on. Just gotta give them a good twist. A little twisty boy. Now, we gotta get the wheel. Oh yeah, the tires on these, there's some, I believe they're Achilles. Yeah, they're Achilles ATR Sport. Ooh, so fancy. You know, they're directional, but they're all seasons. So I won't, you know, immediately die in the rain. Alrighty then. We got her on. Wow. I'm pretty stupid. If you have any ideas for any other videos, just let me know. Because I'm kind of out of ideas after this one. Maybe I'll do 5 things I hate, you know? Yeah, like every other automotive YouTuber, you know? Maybe I'll do a little wide body, a little bag, you know, TJ hand style. Maybe I'll just go, I don't know what Adam LC does. He just buys a bunch of cars and then sits with them. Maybe I'll go do that. Maybe I'll give up on this car. But not actually give up on it, just not make any videos. Who knows? Maybe I'll do a little more skids and only upload once every like 3 weeks, which I will do. And then I'll make this car look bad and then make it look pretty. Or I'll crash it and trade it for something. Dude, this is taking so long. Or I'll do a little gym and build a drift truck, even though I have a really clean FC, eh? Calling out all YouTubers. Drag race me now with my 100 horsepower. I wish I had someone to talk to. I'm so alone. I wish my friends were home. They have some pretty cool cars. Alright. Let's go do the last side. We'll crack these boys loose. Let's get it going. Let me go grab the jack and the wheel and we'll pull them on. Oh man, my pants are getting so dirty. The workshop is so dirty. Dude, I can't stand this heat. I know I said it like the entire video, but like, it's ridiculous. Let me see what the lighting's like if I close the garage. Oh, okay, I mean, I could do this. It's dark for me, but not for you guys. Ooh. Pay me, YouTube. I can't see anymore because it's so dark. I don't know where the lugs are, brother. They're not fucking here. I can tell you that dang much. Wow, I'm gonna just sit down. Oh shit. We're building a race car here, fellas. But not actually. We were building a very sad automobile. We're building a piece of junk. We're building a rust bucket. But we're having a good time. Look at my back. Whoa. Why is this bent like that? I'm sweating in here, dude. I'm getting gassed out. Ah. Oh, that's minty. Absolutely fresh. We'll go take it outside for some pictures. Alright, so here we are, they're on. Everything's good. They might scrape a little in the front when I'm turning and hit a bump. I'm not too sure. It's just that little bit of poke right there. Oh, that's kind of intense. It's kind of aggressive. I don't know. Then we got the fronts. It's pretty nice, man. Pretty frickin' minty. Ugh. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna drive with them for a little bit, see how it goes. That rear is just so aggressive. Might have to like roll it a little bit or something. It's kind of intense. This side, the fronts are good. The rears are pretty aggressive. Yeah, so I guess that'll be it for the video. I'm done with everything I need to do. So thank you guys for watching, and I guess tune in next week for whatever I do next. Alright, bye.